Hello everyone, welcome to the third session of Learning Scratch Together. In this session, we are going to make our cat a hero. So let's just start the session. And in this session, I'm just going to make our cat a hero. So before we discussed that our Avery can walk like this, and we did, and it's kind of perfect, beautiful, but we didn't do anything for our cat. So Avery would just walk and our cat wouldn't do anything, okay? So if I click on cat, we don't have any program for it. So for starting the program for the cat, we want to use the block this. We're going to go to events section, and then we're going to drop this block, okay? When go clicked, go, start the program, okay? If we don't use it, we cannot start our program, whatever we make. For example, if I do this in here, let me just remove this. In this, it says that move 10 steps and then turn 50 degrees, okay? So if I run this, our cat still wouldn't do anything because I didn't show the program that I want to start it, okay? So if I now click on this, our cat would go 10 steps and then move 50 degrees, just like that, okay? Let me just make it, yeah, there we go. So we don't want to do that actually because we want to make some better stuff, okay? I'm just going to delete some blocks. And then, so what we actually want to do is to make our cat fly, okay? So for that, I'm just going to drop a forever loop in here, drop this block in here. See, it's a loop, okay? It will repeat our program forever, okay? Whatever we drop inside it, it will repeat it forever, okay? So, and now I'm just going to move our cat 10 steps forever. Let's see what will happen. Hooray! We did it! But it doesn't look like our cat is really doing something, okay? We're going to make it like better. We're going to make our cat follow, for example, our mouse pointer. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Follow our mouse pointer or do some better stuff, you know, because we don't want our cat to just fly. It's a hero. He should do something actually. So for that, I'm going to use this block. I'm going to drop this block in here and it says go to random position. Okay, so if I click on it, whoa, our cat is going to random positions, but it doesn't makes any sense, okay? Because it's kind of useless and it's ugly. We don't want our cat to go to random positions. We want our cat to follow, for example, our mouse. Oh God, that tongue twister. Let me just tell you that what is tongue twister? Tongue twister, if I'm right. It simply means کلماتی که توی دهن نمیچرخن. Let me just type it like this. در دهن نچرخیدن. Yes. Tongue twister, در دهن نچرخیدن. The words that twists in our mouth, okay? Okay, that was a cool word. I just wanted to tell you. And now if I start it, it will follow my mouse pointer, okay? It will follow it, okay? But it doesn't look good either. I mean, neither, okay? Because it's like it sticks to our mouse pointer and we don't want that neither, okay? We have one another option. If I click on this, we have three options. Random position, that we discussed it, we don't want to use it. Mouse pointer, that is kind of better, but we want something more natural, okay? And we have a third option, Avery walking. Let me just show you that what will happen. If I click on this, it will just go to Avery, but it doesn't do anything, okay? Unless, let me just tell you some points, some note that is really important. If you click on this program, only this character and this program will run, okay? That means if I, if I click on this program that I made it for our cat just will run, okay, or do stuff. But, and this goes for Avery as well. If I click on this, the program that starts Avery's program, if I click on this, Avery would just walk, and our cat doesn't do anything. But if I want to make both of them run and do stuff, I would just click on this button, okay, go, and then, see, Avery is walking, and our cat is following Avery, okay? And this kind of really better, okay? This is really better, but we still want our cat to do more crazy and fun stuff, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm just going to remove this block again and replace it with this one. What is this? This says that glide 1 second to random position. First, let me just tell you that what is glide? Glide simply, let me just write it. I am so sorry again. Common mistakes. Glide means سر خوردن. I'm sorry. سر سر خوردن. Yeah, glide means سر خوردن. But the exact meaning that we are looking for right now is that, see, when I say glide, it means that گربه‌مون از یه جایی به یه قسمت دیگه‌ای حرکت داده میشه. یعنی یه انیمیشنی این وسط وجود داره. همون لحظه سری نمیره اون قسمت. Okay? That was the Persian explanation of the glide word in our program. Okay? But generally, glide means سر خوردن. So, now if I glide our cat to random positions, what will happen? See? It's kind of animating the moves, okay? But I said we don't want to use that. We don't want to do that. So, I'm sorry. Yeah. And let me just, yeah. So, if I click on this, I'm going to choose mouse pointer. And if I run my program, our cat will glide to our mouse pointer, okay? It will just glide towards it. But it looks good. It looks really good, but let me just change it to Avery walking, okay? Now, if I run the entire program, what will happen? Okay? Now, our cat is actually following Avery, okay? He's protecting it, okay? Now, this looks really perfect, but we can still make it better. So, let me just give you some another thing. So, let me just see. Oh, okay, that is really good. That is really good. So, if I drop this block into my program into the for loop for forever, okay, into the forever loop, it would point towards my mouse pointer, okay, towards, oh my god, I am sorry, okay, towards means به سمت. Okay? به سمت. به سمت چیزی, for example. Okay? به سمت. Towards means به سمت. It points towards my mouse pointer. Okay? So now if I click on this, we will have something like this. Okay? It will follow Avery, but it will follow my mouse pointer as well. Okay, so if I just stop this, I'm going to start the whole program, the entire program. Okay, so now our cat will follow Avery, and at the same time, it will point towards our mouse pointer. Okay, so I'm just going to run it from before. So now I am going to, now let's just do this. Our cat is going to follow our mouse pointer and point towards it. Okay? Now if I run this, I have something like this. Okay? See? That is pretty much cool. Okay? So now, if I run the entire program, we will get something like this, okay? Our cat is going wherever we want, and Avery is walking too. So, and let me just change all of these to Avery, because our cat is a hero, and he wants to protect Avery. So, let's just run our entire program again. Now, see? The cat is following Avery, okay? And he's kind of protecting it, so it's pretty much awesome. So let me just stop it, and let me just see how much. Okay, I think this is enough for this session. In the next session, we're going to make our cat talk and make Avery talk as well. Okay, so see you in the next session. Goodbye.